Today we'll be discussing about the circuit switching which is being held in DCCN. Okay, circuit switching. As you hear the word switching, it's nothing but moving from one end to another. When it is said to be moving from one end to other end, the another end it has to transfer, and that particular switch it has to be opened so that the path it travels to that particular end. In between one switch will be there which turns your concerned switch to particular destination. That is called as circuit switching. Okay, mainly the circuit switching consists of two dedicated paths it would be there, and each path it will be like sending the information from one end to another end. Okay, mainly it consists of three phases. One is said to be a circuit established, then your data transfer happens, and once again the connection gets closed. Like that it happens. And inefficient, why it is said to be inefficient is the channel capacity is dedicated to that particular whichever physical medium it is being used, and if no data is being transferred over that particular line, then the whole capacity of that particular line it gets wasted. Okay, and even it has inefficient use of the path. There is a bursty traffic. What do you mean by this one is, okay, when too much of traffic is there at that time while switching, it may get cross connected. That may happen. So that those are the disadvantages which are said to be taken care everywhere when they are said to be transmitting the information. Okay, the main thing is that when circuits are being switched from one circuit to another circuit, your data has to be transferred. At that time the timing is being set. Okay, in 2 seconds it may get transmitted. So set up while giving the connection and disclosing the connection, ending the connection is the most important one in the circuit switching part. Okay, once connected, it has to transfer whatever information which is there with the source. It has to be transmitted to the destination. Okay, in that particular time. This is how the circuit switching happens. You can check out here. Many dials will be there. From one phone, it gets connected to one switch, to that to another switch, to another switch, another switch. Multiple switches are there where it gets connected from one end to another and another end to another end. Okay, and circuit switch establishment, it's between one device to another device. So one circuit it would be there from one office to another office to another office. That it will get connected and it gets switched up. Okay. Circuit switching, it is said to be having inefficiency because the setup time it is said to be maintained. The setup time is nothing but it has to set up the time between time has to be set up within the 150 milliseconds only. It has to set the time. Okay, and the data length it can take at a time is about 1000 bytes, transmitting at 64 kilobytes per second. It will be considering per second a 64 kilobytes of information can be transmitted from one end to another one. And it will take, while it is said to be transmitted, what happens is when we say 150, it doesn't take only 150. There may be a changes even that it may take even only 125 because it depends on the traffic. Okay, when more traffic is there, your time starts deteriorating in within which your data has to be reached to other end. So it is said to be managed. Mainly it is said to be checked, and the inefficiency while the information is being transferred is it is not said to be fixed. Okay, sometimes the person may send the data, sometimes may not send the data. One person may talking, one person may not be talking. So at that time, it has one area which is said to be wasted, which is called as the idle period. When it is said to be idle for longer period of time, one person may use continuously, the other person may not use continuously. So that is called as inefficiency, assuming the event time which is being considered. So when the information is being transferred from one device to another device to another device, it has to flow. It may get back a reply to flow once again. These are said to be stop and wait. That ARQs are there, like automatic request, that it will be happening everywhere. So that happens while the data is being transmitted. So when an assumption is being considered, okay, it may take 2.5 gigabytes of data. Intermediate nodes which are needed is 4, and message it can transfer is 1000 kilobits of message, and 10 bits at one length at a stretch. Okay, 10 I take, so after another 10 I take another 10, another few seconds I take another 10. Like that it will be splitted up into multiple frames at a time. Okay, and even it has some concept called as delay. Delay means what is when I am said to be transferring the information from one end to another end, some part of delay it may happen. And even it has to have the concept of controlling the message. Whatever delay is there, that plus your rate at which your information is being transferred, that it will be considered in your delay part. Okay, the circuit switch, mainly your switch allows the various connections which are being connected from one end to another, and it may be analog or digital, both it should accept. And the circuit switch, it consists of a switch fabric which involves the connection from one end to another end, and you may need multiple hardware devices when you are getting connected from one end to another end. Okay, this is your switch fabric. It may consist of various connections. Within the switch you can see the switches are said to be open up and closed. Open and closed, that aspect is there. When the information is being passed, the switch gets opened, otherwise it gets closed. Like that, multiple cross points are there where the information gets transferred from one end to another end. It opens and closes, that happens. Okay, you will be learning about the concept of blocking and non-blocking concept. Non-blocking is nothing but it will be when the connection is being established, it will transfer the information from one end to another end, and no need of some breakages of information will happen. Okay, and blocking network is nothing but may be unable to connect and some problem may be there. At that time the connection gets closed. Okay, for example, a voice message is there. At that time the voice may not reach to the other end because the switches may be closing and opening. That concept may be there. And blocking is said to be cheaper, while unblocking is said to be what? Non-blocking, it is said to be like little bit difficult to manage. And this switching technology has two types. One is space division and time division. So let's check out what is space division. At each level, when the information is being passed, it will be having n cross points. And at the cross points, remember, when 10 cross points are there, only 6 users will be there. Sometimes it may require 10 points, in that 12 users may be there. Like that, multiple things happen in between. The switches may be less and the users may be more. At that time, the network has to manage in such a way that some data it will be passed from one end, another data may get blocked for certain amount of. These are said to be your cross points which are there between the network, between the input devices when they are being passed. Here also you have the diagram of the cross points. When they are connected and when they are not connected is your this part with the point part. Okay, you have multiple stages switches. You can check out your multiple stage switches. You have n switches, k number of lines, n switches, k number of lines it would be there, where it is when multiple stages, it has multiple switches, multiple users which is being shifted from one end to another end. And blocked calls is nothing but sometimes what happens is when information is being passed, the lines are said to be busy. When the information is not being passed, some of the lines may get blocked. Okay, so you can see here red, orange, and you have some of the yellow lines which are said to be blocked. Okay, 3 stages nothing but you have one part, first stage some of the switches, second stage some of the switches, and third stage some of the switches. When it is being used is when I am said to be passing the information from one country to another country, I may need multiple switches. A 3 stage switching may happen. Okay, and time division switching is nothing but here you can see a time is being allotted in which the information has to be passed from one end to another end. The frame switching you can see. In that particular frame, each frame it will be passing in that particular time only. That is said to be a time division switching. Okay, modern digital system they use the intelligent control. What do you mean by intelligent control? Is a system will be there. That system it controls the whole system. Okay, whole system means what? All the lines which are there when to make it busy, when not to make it busy, it depends on that particular system only. Okay, that is called as the intelligent control, where it will be controlled by that particular system only. Okay, and it has the main virtual circuits which are said to be imaginary. Some are permanent connections, some are not permanent connections. So when permanent connections are there, I may give a without blocking connection, whereas when it is not said to be having a permanent connection, I may give the concept of blocking connection. And even whatever information is being passed, for example, that information it is said to be partitioned to. When it is said to be partitioned means what? Its speed automatically it becomes low. Okay, and when the information is being passed, individual piece of information it should be controlled in a specific way, and that individual piece of information it has to follow some rules and regulations, and it will be passing to the other end. Okay, that happens in the time division switching. Okay, if it is taking too much of time, then that task it is said to be left unworking. Then that information once again it may be passed back, and you may get back a fresh data. Okay. So time division you can consider here. An example is being considered. You have multiple systems, you have multiple frames which are being considered, which are being sent from one end to another end. In between you have a switch which will convert your data from one end to another end. It makes a counter for your data here. That counting means for first task it may take how many seconds, another task how many seconds. It will be counting through the counter which is being used, and afterwards the framing happens and it will be transferring the information to the destination. Remember, here also you have the concept of multiplexing and demultiplexing. Multiplexing is nothing but it takes n number of information, transfers over a single line, and it once again divides into multiple connections through the help of the demultiplexing. Okay, this is your time division. Remember, a time slot is being provided for all the tasks which is being executed. Okay, whichever task is there, when I want the task to be done, we have to divide that particular task into various time slots. In that time slots only it has to execute, and it should move to the other. Okay, this is the part of, and remember, when the information is being traveling, it may get mixed up. So once again it has to travel in that order only, then it will be making it particular order by that particular demultiplexer. Okay, this is the part of your circuit switches. One is space division switch and the time division switch which is being done. Space division is nothing but, okay, I have to provide the space for n number of lines without blockage or with blockage. The particular space is being provided. In that particular space only you are said to be executing the things. Whereas the time division is nothing but when I am doing some task, it will be allotted with the time. In that particular time only it has to get executed. So remember both the points, what is space and what is time. Okay. So this ends your session. Okay, thank you.